Buying a home is a major milestone, and while the excitement of discovering the perfect place is real, protecting your investment is just as important. That is where a home inspection comes in. A home inspection is a critical part of the buying process, offering a clear picture of a property's condition before you commit. Whether you are new to home buying or have done it before, understanding inspections can save you time, money, and a lot of stress down the road. A home inspection is a non-invasive visual assessment of a property's overall condition. Its primary purpose is to identify potential safety hazards, structural concerns, and maintenance issues before you finalize your purchase. The benefits are clear. You can uncover hidden problems like foundation cracks or plumbing leaks, gain negotiation power if repairs are needed, and avoid unexpected expenses later. Spending a few $100s now could prevent thousands in costly surprises. Most importantly, a professional inspection gives you peace of mind, confirming that your new home is truly a safe investment. During an inspection, a certified professional examines the property's key components. They check structural elements such as the foundation, walls, and roof for cracks, leaks, or signs of damage. Inspectors assess major home systems, including the electrical wiring, outlets, circuit breakers, plumbing, water heater, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. They also evaluate the attic, insulation, basement, or crawl space for moisture issues, and review drainage and grading around the home. While thorough, inspections do not cover every detail, like cosmetic flaws or specialized systems such as pools or septic tanks. Selecting a qualified inspector is essential. Look for professionals certified by reputable organizations like the American Society of Home Inspectors, the National Association of Home Inspectors, or the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. Ask your real estate agent for recommendations and check online reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp. Inquire about the inspector's experience. How many inspections have they performed? What is included in their report? How long does the inspection usually take? For older homes or fixer-uppers, consider hiring a specialist for deeper insight. A typical home inspection lasts 2 to 4 hours depending on the property's size and condition. As a buyer, it is highly recommended to attend the inspection. The inspector begins with an exterior walkthrough, assessing the roof, foundation, and drainage. Next, they examine major systems: electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Appliances, outlets, and smoke detectors are tested for functionality. Attics, basements, and crawl spaces are checked for hidden problems. Afterward, the inspector compiles a detailed report, often with photos, explaining any concerns discovered during the visit. Once the inspection is complete, you will receive a comprehensive report outlining any issues. Minor issues, such as cosmetic flaws or loose doorknobs, are usually not deal breakers. Moderate concerns, like an aging roof or outdated wiring, may be worth negotiating. Major problems, including foundation cracks or unsafe electrical work, could prompt renegotiation or even reconsidering the purchase. Use the report as a tool to make informed decisions about your next steps. Armed with your inspection report, you can ask the seller to address critical repairs before closing or negotiate a price reduction to cover needed fixes. If major red flags emerge, do not hesitate to walk away. Remember, your goal is to secure a safe, sound investment. Never settle for less. A home inspection is one of the smartest moves you can make as a buyer. To maximize your budget and get full access to the Multiple Listing Service, or MLS, start your journey with ListLien. Visit listlien.com today to learn more about affordable flat-fee MLS listings and take the first step in your For Sale by Owner, or FSBO, adventure.